Well, it's indeed 6 months ago that we had the last, 6, 7 months ago that we had the last ISE in Barcelona. And during that time we developed new products. The market is changing, the pixel pitch is getting narrow, so that's also why we are showing an WP 0.9. This is produced, it's available for the market, it's sellable, and it's important for us that we are showing products which are also available to sell and to deliver. With the new product line, with the MV, we achieved several big projects in the Middle East, 1,000 square meter screens. That's huge, and that's also what we are showing here on the booth at ISE. And next to that, it's of course the XR Studios. It's a new trend, a lot of communication about XR Studios, virtual productions, and that's also of course also with our product line, what we're showing, and big market for us as well. Well, the company is growing. The company is growing very fast. We have been achieving a huge increase of sales and revenue in the company, and that's also what we are investing back in the organization. We're hiring new people in local. So I like to have a French guy in France and a German in Germany. So that's what we're doing, and on top of that, we are investing in new technicians, engineering to do the support to our customers, because selling something is good, but giving the full support is much more important. The good thing for our company is that we have a technical department in Rotterdam, in the Netherlands, so we don't have to rely on our Chinese partners and Chinese colleagues in China, but we have really facing a very good technical department in Rotterdam, where all the technical support is. Well, first of all, the city Barcelona, people, it's very accessible. So if you create a showroom somewhere, it needs to be accessible for the whole region, and that's Barcelona and Spain very well. So we created a showroom where all our technology is visible, indoor, outdoor, rental and staging, fixed installation. So we have set up an XR studio in the showroom, full functioning, and the good thing is that we did this with partners, because we strongly believe in partnerships where good companies are working together, like these guys, NCAM, even Canon, ARRI, the ARRI Lightning. The Brompton, of course, the main source for XR Studios. So we are partnering together in specific vertical markets. So this is a good market. The vertical markets like XR, we're specific partners, but we're also partnering in other vertical markets. We're very strong in rental and staging, in the retail, in the corporate market. So partnering is very important for us. Our system integrators, our partners, they are bringing the end users to the showroom. We put them on the paper, on the table, and we discuss the project. We look around where all the products are there, and then something nice is coming out of that. Sometimes people are coming with an idea, and they're coming back to with a complete other idea because they see it in the showroom. It has been so successful that we also decided to have multiple of these kind of showrooms worldwide, in China, but also in Middle East, Los Angeles, Tokyo is becomes very important for us, Kuala Lumpur. So we are setting up this concept. We multiplied it in other countries as well, and the reason is because it has been very successful in Barcelona. What we have achieved in the last 3 years, setting up this fixed installation organization in the Middle East, and EMEA, it has been so successful. So you get enthusiastic and passionate by the success automatically.